So when you exit your roundabout, check your mirrors, okay? Always. You're gonna go ahead. And then we're gonna turn right where you can you see the lights?
Yeah.
There we're gonna turn right. So we're gonna turn right there where the white ones coming from. So to turn right there, we're gonna stop with this white line. We don't go in their path, okay? We don't wanna make the same mistake. So we're gonna come to, we need to stop here with the white line, and when the road is clear and there's safe gap, then we turn in the road. Now look at the white line, okay, on the floor.
Yeah.
Look at the
There
reference
is my
point.
reference mark.
So you need to stop on the reference point. And now it's the best chance to go because they're stopping now. Good. Because they're stopping for the red light and we got the opportunity to go. And here remember what you're gonna do. Because it's a less space.
Less space, less speed.
Yeah. Now keep going. Look there and keep going. Good. This side, your own side now. It's fine.
There is obstruction.
But don't
So,
go.
I need to go on the right side.
You go really close with the parked car. So you need to keep 2 car space distance, then you stop. But if you go really close, it's gonna be hard for you to come out. So next time, how much gap you gonna keep?
2 car space.
And why we keep that gap?
After I move easily.
Yeah, and if the car, like if the front car is stopping and if they break down, what you gonna do? So keep a good distance, okay? Like 2 car spaces, so when you come out, it's safe. You just check here, okay, on the left side. There's cars. speed up. Don't stop because we can go, but keep a good distance between you and parked cars. Come to the left and keep going. Don't stop. Keep going because there's cars behind you. For their test, so we need to slow down a bit because there's a cars approaching, so nice and slow.
They're waiting for test.
Yeah, they're all going now. Now go if it's clear. After the zebra crossing, turn right, please. You need to look here as well on the left.
After zebra crossing,
You turn right. He's giving you way, so you turn nice and slow. Look in the road properly. This is good.
another car is coming, so I need to reduce the speed and I go space to him.
Yeah. Steer slowly. As you're steering it really fast like this. Slowly steer, okay? This is fine. Now we come to the left. What's the speed on this road?
30.
Okay, and if the road is clear, if you see obstruction, then ease off. Otherwise, you keep going, keep progressing, okay? Keep going ahead. He's stopping for you, so nice and slow. Come to this side, my side, this side. Yeah, good. And go. Because there's less space, so you slowly come to the left. And after the grey car, we're gonna pull up to the left. After the second car. This is first and after the second car. Okay, we come here. You need to be more, come to the left, like this. You need to be straight. This is fine. Okay, park the car 100 off. So this time when you come, like you made a third exit on the roundabout, how did you feel? How did you find out the third exit?
Now I feel easier.
How?
And if I will do it fourth exit, I want to do in the fourth exit.
On this roundabout, sometime when you turning, you take in the third exit, or like for fourth exit, you must go on the right. For the third exit, sometime you do it from the left as well. If you keep your car to the left, you count your exit first, second, and then third on the left. So if it's on the clock, this is like a clock. This is 9 and 12. So if the third exit is here before 12 o'clock, you can do this from the left side. and that's easier because then you're not changing the direction, not changing the lane. Because if you go to the right and do third exit, so after the second exit you signal left and come to the left lane, you change the lane, and then on that time you panic. But if you do it from the left side, you keep going from the left, first exit and third signal left and come off. It's so easy. You're not changing lanes. Because this roundabout is like small, it's not that big.
No.
It's
That's
small.
why. A small roundabout is difficult,
Yeah,
but big
it's-
roundabout
yeah.
is
This roundabout is small and the exits are closer.
closer. And always both side is parking car.
Yeah. So the if the exits are closer, it's easier sometime. So you can do the third exit from the left lane. You should still keep going round like on the left. Count your exit first, second signal. After the second signal left and then go. Because it's really close. The third exit like before 12 o'clock. But the fourth exit is after the 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
That's why we go to the right and then we signal right and we come off. Only for the fourth, but for the first, second, third, we can do them from the lane on the left. You understand this?
Yeah.
But are you okay now with the roundabout? Are you finding it easier?
Yeah. Today is it's okay. Maybe Thursday I will do it again.
Yeah, after the roundabout, you're making only one mistake. Now on the road when you're driving, your holdback position is weak. Like when you go in the middle meeting cars, when the cars meeting you, they're coming from the other side, oncoming cars, when you see them, you quickly go to the cars behind and you go really close. We call this holdback position. So your holdback position is weak. So this time when we're gonna go out, we need to fix this as well, this mistake in this circle. For example, if we move off from here, if the car's coming from the oncoming car is coming now, and we move off, so you quickly go behind this black car and you go really close. So you always to keep 2 car spaces back, leave a good gap, and then when the cars go, when you coming out, your car is safe and the front car is safe. So if we go really close, what's the danger and what's the result of that? If you come out if you steer really fast and you are behind this car, what's the danger?
Maybe he hit the car, or my in front have a car. If he's
Or maybe you hit
behind.
the parked car.
Yeah.
If you steer really quickly and the oncoming cars coming, you come out. So remember these dangers. Always.
So that's why it's roundabout. I think so. I need to reduce the speed because we are going to is a round. If front have a car, behind have a car, so we need to. I think so. Is reduce the speed, less speed. I need to go less speed.
Yeah.
If it's empty, nobody there, then I get a speed up.
Yeah, you are right with the holdback position. Remember, okay? Because you just made this mistake 2 times on this circle. When we were coming on low lane, you went really close. So when we go out, if you see oncoming cars and there's less space, your car should be behind the black car. Your car should be half in and half in the road. So people see that she's waiting for us. She's not parking, but she's waiting 2 cars away. So 2 cars away from this car, we're gonna wait in middle. When the approaching cars, they go, we go. We're gonna fix this like this way. In the roundabout, slowly you understanding now, we're gonna go and fix this. Again, we're gonna do few exits, okay? It's really hard because this roundabout all exits are really close. This time shoulder check is fine. Good, keep going ahead.